Understanding the phrase, fire camp. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving into a simple yet interesting phrase in the English language, fire camp. We'll explore its meaning, its usage, and some examples to help you grasp the concept. Let's get started. Fire camp can be broken down into two words. 1. Fire. A process in which substances combine chemically with oxygen from the air and give out bright light, heat, and smoke. 2. Camp. A place with temporary accommodations of huts, tents, or other structures, typically used by soldiers, refugees, or travelers. When combined, fire camp generally refers to a temporary outdoor site where people gather around a fire. It's a place of warmth, cooking, and often, camaraderie. Understanding a phrase often requires knowing its context. Here's how fire camp is commonly used. 1. Camping trips. On a camping adventure, travelers might set up a fire camp at night to cook food, share stories, and stay warm. 2. Disaster relief. In emergency situations, like after a natural disaster, temporary fire camps might be established to provide warmth and cooking facilities for displaced people. 3. Wildfire response. Firefighters battling wildfires often stay in fire camps. These are temporary bases where they can rest, eat, and strategize. To further illustrate, here are some sentences using fire camp. 1. After hiking all day, we set up a fire camp and roasted marshmallows. 2. The relief agency established a fire camp for the flood victims to provide them with hot meals. 3. The firefighters returned to their fire camp after a long day of battling the blaze. So there we have it. The phrase, fire camp, denotes a temporary spot, usually outdoors, centered around a fire. Whether for relaxation, aid, or work, it's a place of gathering, warmth, and often, community. We hope this video has illuminated the phrase for you. Stay curious, and happy learning!